Radioddity sent over their new TomoLink, and this one's a little different from what I usually cover. It's not a ham radio, it's a POC radio, which is push-to-talk over cellular networks. And honestly, for the right use case, this thing makes a lot of sense. So what is a POC radio? Instead of transmitting over your traditional frequencies like your biofang, it uses 4G LTE network. So basically a walkie-talkie that uses cellular networks. That means its range isn't limited by line of sight or power output like a traditional radio. As long as both radios have cell coverage, they can communicate. Doesn't matter if one's in Florida and one's in Utah. So who actually needs that? Well, think of construction crews working multiple job sites, or security spread over the city. Basically, anybody who needs push-to-talk communications, but are spread out too far for traditional radio. That's the target here, and the TomoLink is built for just that. One thing Radioddity did right, they included a SIM card and 3-year data plan in the box. So no monthly fees, no subscriptions, just the cost of the hardware. You pay $149 for the 2 radios and you're covered for 3 years. After that, you can renew them, or you can just pop in a new SIM card from one of the popular carriers. That's a pretty good deal compared to the other POC solutions. They'll charge you a monthly fee on top of the hardware. You can create groups and manage them right on the radio, which is worth mentioning because that's not always the case with these radios. There's a group selector knob right on the top, making it easy to change channels. You can go right into the menu on the radio and manage your group. No dealer programming, no back-end admin panel. They've got an app called Super-PTT for iOS and Android that lets you manage it from your phone too. And the app lets a smartphone user talk directly into the group. So if somebody doesn't want to carry a radio, they can still stay in the loop from their phone. The battery is a 2500 milliamp hour. They say it'll last for 24 hours continuous use or 3 hours on standby mode. For a full workday, that's not going to be a problem. It also has USB-C charging, which is nice because you can charge it from your truck or a battery power pack. You don't need to be searching around for a proprietary charger. The radio itself is pretty compact, coming in at about 5 inches tall and weighing only 5 ounces, so it's not heavy to carry around all day. And it comes in a 2-pack, so you got a pair right out of the box to get started. Now the obvious limitation is it relies on the cellular network. So if there's no cell service, these radios are paperweights. This isn't an emergency radio. It's purely dependent on cell network. So keep that in mind for your use case. And since it operates on the cellular network, you don't need a special license for this. That makes it accessible to pretty much anybody, which is the point of this. At $149 for 2 radios with 3 years of service is a pretty good deal. If your team is spread across the city or across the country and you need push-to-talk communications, this is definitely worth looking at. I'll put a link in the description below that'll save you $15 if you're interested. So tell me in the comments, does this technology sound familiar?
Come on back. Come on back. Plenty of room. A little bit more. That's it. Come on back.
Next help from Sprint.
Locked engine. ZTQ8 halogen success joint group broken.